Hello, namaste everyone. This is Ram and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox this brand new iPhone 11, and this is my first iPhone, and it is also happened to be my first unboxing video of a mobile. So let's get started. So guys, this is the box. Now let's just open it up. We'll see what's inside the box. It's very smooth. Okay. So here is the phone itself. It looks, here is a glass back. Here are the two cameras and flashlight, and I see. Um, this is the front side of the phone. On the left, here we can see the volume rockers, and I don't know about this button because I'm the first time Apple user. I'll get to know it later. On the right side, this is the power on off button, and here is a SIM tray. As you can see, yeah, this is a SIM tray, uh, and on the bottom section, as you can see, there is a lightning cable section. Here are the two speaker grills. On the top section, there is nothing else. Let's keep this phone aside and see what's inside the box. These are some documentations, as you can see. So there's a hello, you hear it. There is a typical documentation from Apple. Here is a SIM tray ejector tool. So there is some other documentation here, and we also got Apple stickers, Apple logo stickers. So that's nice. Now let's keep this aside. Let's see what's inside. So here is a charger. This is a 5-volt charger. It's not a fast charger, but it can get the work done. So this is not a fast charger, it's a 5-volt charger, as you can see. Here we got Apple earphones. So there is a lightning port. Let's keep this aside. And here we got a lightning cable, lightning to USB cable. And that's it. There is nothing else inside the box. Now let's keep these things aside and let's look at the phone itself. So let's just switch it on. So there you go. I'll boot this phone up and get back to you in a moment, but before that, let's check out its specifications. The new iPhone 11 comes with a 6.1-inch Liquid Retina IPS LCD display that has a 79% screen-to-body ratio. It comes with an Apple A13 Bionic chipset that is based on 7nm processor. It has 128GB internal memory and 4GB RAM. It runs on iOS 13 operating system. It has two cameras at the back. One is a 12 megapixel wide-angle camera with f1.8 aperture, and the other one is a 12 megapixel camera with f2.4 aperture that is also an ultra-wide camera. This iPhone 11 can record 4K videos up to 60 fps and 1080p videos up to 240 fps. Well, the selfie camera is a 12 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture and 23mm wide-angle camera. The selfie camera can record up to 4K videos with 60 fps and 1080p videos up to 120 fps. This phone has a non-removable Li-ion battery of 3110 mAh battery, and it supports fast charging up to 18 watts. This phone also has an IP68 dust and water resistance. So guys, I have finished setting up the iPhone. Now let's just look at the settings. So here I know nothing about the iOS. So I'm new to this one. I have to see a lot of the I have to go through each and everything to know about this. But let's just take a look at the camera and its quality. Okay, it is asking me to allow while using app. Okay, so continue. Okay, and the camera quality looks pretty nice, guys. I'm gonna take some pictures. Uh, so there is a zoom option as well. Okay. Oh, this is a wide angle camera. Okay, it's pretty nice. Okay. So here are some of the shots I have taken from the iPhone 11. This shot was taken from an ultra wide angle camera, and this shot was taken from a regular angle camera. This was taken in an indoor lighting condition, and here is the shot I have taken from an ultra wide angle camera in an indoor lighting condition. This shot was taken in a portrait mode, and here is another shot in portrait mode. So guys, this is my unboxing video of the new iPhone 11. In the next video, I'm going to share my thoughts about this phone, about what I like about this device and what I do not like about this device. Since I'm new to the iOS, I'm gonna do an extensive review of this phone and see what I can do. But by the time, if you like this video, please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.